Question number 3, exercise 1.4 children. I am reading out the sum for you. The sum is the following real numbers have decimal expansions as given below. Okay, you can see the decimal expansions. Examples are there. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. So you have to say whether they are rational or not rational. Okay, not rational means what? Irrational. Then if they are rational and in the form p upon q, what you say about prime factors of q? Okay, so here we see check the first one for this. See, this is the number. Now you see the number, it ends, right? So since the given decimal expansion is terminating, it terminates, nothing further. You don't see a recurring sign as well. So hence it is rational because it is terminating, and it can be written in the form p upon q. And how, since it is terminating, in the previous examples we have seen when it is terminating, then q is of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. So this is about the prime factors of q. Okay, the q will have prime factors in the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. It's very simple. N and m also now only you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it can be 10 raised to 8. Okay, so this can be written as this full number upon 10 raised to 8. So that will be the q. Alright, the next one, this is a number given. You see carefully, this is nor it is recurring nor it is terminating. So the given decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring, because it is not recurring also properly. So it is irrational. So it cannot be written in the form p upon q. So we don't have to say anything about q. Third one, you see 43.123456789 and there is a bar. That means what? This bar means it is repeating. So the decimal expansion is non-terminating because this is repeating. It is non-terminating and recurring. If it is recurring, that means the number can be written in the form p upon q, and it is a rational number. Okay, only thing, what is the thing here, that q can have factors other than 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, and there can be more, maybe 3 7 9 3 7 11. It can have many other factors, many other prime numbers as its factors. That is why it is non-terminating. If it is only in this form, then it is terminating. Just like the first example is only in that form, it is terminating. But since it is repeating, it is non-terminating. So the denominator cannot be of the form this. So it can have some more factors. So with this we have finished with the exercise.